Don't let your business close due to smoke and odor. Get rid of smoke and odor complaints immediately. We guarantee it. You will completely eliminate smoke and odor. Have you started losing customers because of the smoke and odor in your workplace? Are you tired of the complaints? Are the building residents not allowing a chimney? Are you unable to deal with smoke and odor? Is your work permit going to be revoked? Is all your investment going to waste? Are the filters you've installed not working? Do you not know what to do and need technical support? Are you looking for a chimney-free solution that can be adapted to your existing system, longing for a smoke-free and odorless workplace? There is a definite solution to get rid of all these problems. Alp Electrostatic filter systems. Our air purification units with electrostatic filters effectively clean smoke, grease, and odors in places where chimney installation is not possible. They effectively filter smoke, grease, and odors, eliminating the need for a chimney. You can use our electrostatic filters in all areas where dust, grease, and smoke are unwanted. Alp electrostatic filters are entirely domestically produced. They are designed and manufactured in our factory in Istanbul. Their energy consumption is negligible. There are no consumable costs. By cleaning our electrostatic filters, you can use them for many years without any issues. They are lightweight, portable, and have a modular structure. You can use them in different locations. The plate system used in our electrostatic filters is patented and designed under the name of Alperen Engineering. They are manufactured ready for use, and installation is very easy. Connect the duct, turn on the electricity, and start it. That's all. Our electrostatic filters comply with the technical specifications required by official institutions. They have CE, TSE Service Competence Certificate, ISO 9000, and ICSF certificates. More importantly, they are an affordable and definitive solution. While your electrostatic filters are working, you can continue your production and earnings without any issues. Call us immediately to get rid of smoke and bad odors. We are also by your side for all kinds of technical support and engineering services. We invite you to meet with quality and trust. Alperen Engineering, 0212 503 35 36, 0532 422 76 29, www.alperen.com.tr.